Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. We are in the incredibly windy Mykonos and we're about to show you our room at Ostraco Suites. We got a media discount to stay here, so a big thanks to Ostraco Suites for having us here. We're going to show you a really cool room, very authentically Greek and extremely close to the old town, to the centre of Mykonos. Let's go inside. Now let me show you the inside first before we go outside and we have a look at the hot tub. Inside we've got an incredibly cool, modern, chic, minimalist design. We've got a couple of sofas where you can just chill out and relax in the hot Greek sun. We've got a cheeky bottle of Prosecco, a couple of glasses and a plate of fruits just for our arrival. So the walls are all white. The furniture here is grey and we've got an old-timey radio sitting in the corner too. Over this side, opposite the sofas, we've got a TV that's set inside the wall, so that looks really flush too. On this side, some more white furniture. We've got a lovely white seat. Of course, no Greek room is complete without an espresso coffee machine and loads of pods to choose from. Let's move into the bedroom. As we move into the bedroom, we've got an all-white bedroom, again with another TV, some really cool minimalist furniture, an incredibly comfy bed with this lovely grey split headboard in the middle. This apartment here actually has 2 bathrooms, so I'm not sure why you need 2 bathrooms in an apartment like this, but let me show you the first. First bathroom is a stone grey bathroom, again going back to Greek roots, sort of got some Santorini vibes to it as well, and small window looking into the outside. We've got the sink over this side and then the toilet hiding behind this door. Let me take you into the second bathroom. As we enter this other bathroom, we've got a grey bathroom over there and we've got the white bathroom here. White bathroom is slightly smaller. It's got a little sunken shower / bath thing over here. And again, sink and toilet, which you can see over this side. Let's take you outside to show you what the front looks like. It's a really light, airy apartment with big windows everywhere, letting loads of natural light in. And as we move to the outside, we've got my favourite bit of the apartment, which is the bit where you can just chill out and relax in the hot sun. We've got a couple of beanies over this side. That is so nice. And of course, the hot tub here, which faces the Aegean Sea, where we've just come from, to Santorini. That is it, guys. That is Ostraco Suites in Mykonos. If you are ever around, definitely check them out because this is such a nice apartment. We did loads of research, checked out the places that we wanted to go to, and this was one of our favourites. I think that's it. See you in the next video.